Kylie. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are subscribed, if you've watched any of my videos, and if you're new or just passing by, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining me. Today's video I'm super excited about. I'm excited about most of my videos, but this one has me super excited. If you can tell by the title, I have gotten a little bit early Mother's Day gift for my husband and my kids. And I'll kind of go into a little bit more detail about that. So if you're not subscribed already, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and let's get started. So real quick background, I have been looking for this piece for a while. It's a piece that's kind of hard to come by nowadays, and my sales associate at Louis Vuitton happened to text me the other day and say that they had one and she would hold it for me if I wanted it. So I told my husband, I'm like, look, I really want this piece, and he was like, go ahead, it'll be your Mother's Day gift. So I'm super excited. I live about an hour away from our store, and I wanted to make sure I had it and didn't just have it sitting down there, so I actually had her ship it to me. So this is an actual true unboxing. I haven't seen the piece. She sent me some pictures, but this is like a true unboxing. Okay, so here's the box. It came in a really big box. I asked her for a bag as well as the box and everything because I want my kids to be able to hand it to me on Mother's Day, although I am already unboxing it today. I had to, like, I couldn't wait to see it. So they have it really nicely wrapped with bubble paper. Here's the receipt. And oh, she must have forgot about the bag because there's no bag. But that's all right. It's still wrapped really pretty in the box. So here is the box. Have you guys guessed what it is? Let's get it open and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so it's a magnetic closure, and there is the item inside. And you can probably tell from this what it is. I'm so excited. It smells really good. To reveal my new toiletry 26. So this is the toiletry pouch 26. I do have the 19 if you've watched any of my videos. I'll try to link a video about that up above somewhere, and so you can see that. But here she is. I'm gonna look it over because, like I said, I haven't actually seen this piece in person yet. So it's Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain, which my other toiletry is made in Spain as well, so matchy matchy. I've said that I really want the trifecta eventually, so I was so excited when she called me and told me this was in. So let's look it over. The zipper looks good. It smells brand new. Yeah, it looks really good. I'll show you guys as I'm looking it over. The corners look good. And this is going to be one continuous piece of canvas all the way around, and then a piece on each side. So it looks nice. Looks perfect. So I'm super excited about this. Let's open it up and I'll show you what it looks like inside. There's the inside. Whoops. The little textile card is down in here. This is a wipeable interior, which is super nice. I really wanted this for taking on vacation. My 19 has worked out so well, but I think having something a little bit bigger will be nice too. And I also want to use this as a clutch. Like, I think it'll be so cute to carry this out as a clutch if we go on a date night or, you know, just whenever. It's really cute. So it's multi-purpose. I really am trying to get multi-purpose pieces, multifunctional. And this also, as far as I know, I've tried it once, but it wasn't this piece. It was from the men's line. It does fit in my artsy, so that makes me super excited, especially for travel. So here she is, so beautiful. I'm so excited to add this piece to my collection. Yeah, so I will be doing some videos on this, what fits. I'm going to be doing a what's in my artsy soon, so stay tuned for those. Yeah, I'm just super excited to have this piece. I have been wanting this. So thanks you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you at the next video. This is Kylie. Bye.